Something significant just happened in e-commerce, and most Shopify merchants haven't fully registered what it means for their store yet. OpenAI has officially partnered with Shopify to bring in-chat shopping directly to ChatGPT. Users can discover Shopify products inside ChatGPT and complete checkout through the merchant's Shopify checkout, either in an in-app browser or a browser tab. The search behavior that drives traffic to your store is changing, and the merchants who understand what this means for their setup right now will have a meaningful head start. I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and today we're breaking down what this partnership means, what Shopify merchants can control, and how to make your product data easier for AI shopping systems to understand. Let's start with what this actually is, because the details matter here. OpenAI and Shopify have integrated in a way that allows ChatGPT to surface Shopify product listings directly inside a conversation. When a user asks ChatGPT for a product recommendation, instead of getting a text response with links to go and search elsewhere, they can now see actual products, browse options, and move toward a purchase without leaving the chat interface. For merchants, this means ChatGPT is now a discovery surface for your store, like Google, but with completely different behavior. A Google search is intent-driven and keyword-based. A ChatGPT shopping interaction is conversational, contextual, and increasingly the way a growing segment of buyers are starting their product research. Getting your store visible in that environment requires a different approach than traditional SEO. Understand the practical implications before optimizing. If your store is eligible, Shopify's Agentic Storefronts can make your products discoverable through ChatGPT without a separate app or custom integration. The quality of your data determines how effectively ChatGPT represents your products. Success requires descriptive titles and conversational descriptions that answer buyer questions rather than just stuffing keywords. Accurate, structured data and contextual metafields are essential for defining what the product is and who it's for. While these concepts aren't new, their importance in AI-driven discovery is far greater than in traditional search, a shift every merchant should take seriously. Optimizing for AI search requires shifting from keyword matching to contextual relevance. First, rewrite product descriptions to answer conversational questions: what the product is, who it's for, and the specific problems it solves. Write for the user's intent rather than a specific keyword. Second, structured product data matters, and Metafields can help when they add useful context like specifications, compatibility, materials, sizing, or use cases. Third, prioritize detailed, authentic reviews. Detailed, authentic reviews can support buyer confidence and may help AI shopping experiences present your products with richer context. Finally, maintain overall store authority through backlinks and brand mentions. While the discovery surface has changed, building a credible online presence remains a foundational requirement for AI visibility. The way buyers discover products is changing faster than most merchants are adapting to it. The ChatGPT and Shopify integration is one of the clearest signals yet that conversational AI is becoming a serious commerce channel, and the stores that get their product data, their descriptions, and their trust signals right now are going to be better positioned as that channel grows. If you want help auditing your store's setup for AI search visibility, that's exactly the kind of work we do at the Shop Ninjas. Link is in the description. Hope you got something useful out of this one. Head over to the Shop Ninjas website for more resources on building and growing your e-commerce business the right way. Subscribe and hit the bell. We're back every week. See you in the next one.